Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. Well, on Friday, the Australian dollar was all fired up after the pair managed to catch a slight bid tone to the end of the week. It is assessed that from the advance and spiking to a high of 71.91 is a continuation to the bull trend didn't emerge to the start of this morning. The resistance seen at 71.85.95, I do expect to see the market pull back towards 71.45. With stops accumulating now above 72 cents, it does put the market in a slight vulnerability in case the bulls decided to take the challenge and take on the stops, which could see a move up towards 72.55. But at the moment, the resistance is containing the level at 71.85.95 from any advancement. If we do get a close today, or should I say more to the fact, in New York at 71.45 or under, this would expose the region back to 70.65 to 70. The euro finds renewed momentum on Friday and spiked to a fresh high of 113.23 before easing back slightly. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies, slipped to a fresh low of 96.34 before settling in at 96.52. A decisive break and a close under 96.40 would give you euro further upward momentum. Although I am looking at this stage to sell or see supply around the level of 113.10, I do expect to see the market eventually retreat back towards the support that's seen at 112.55 to 111.60.80, which is where the base continues to hold and also seen as the bullish foundations now. Let's see how the market closes in the next 24 hours, that is, in New York, and see if the market can weaken back to sub 113. The dollar yen case has remained relatively firm now for the last 2 days, and since the rebound of 110.70.80, the market is now challenging the 112 handle. It is assessed there will probably be stops now above 112.45. A break above there would give further scope up towards 112.90 figure and reassess from there. Support at this stage seen at 111.65 and beneath still holds at 110.70.80. The descending triangle still at this stage is holding after the market again stabbed and has many times now at this descending triangle. With the base still seen at 129.70.80, the market is still seesawing above there. It is assessed though that a break of 129.70 would give further confirmation to this bearish descending triangle and look to a target of 125.50. Resistance at this stage is seen at 131.15. The gold has failed to bounce and now pressuring the level of 1,288. A break beneath there would give further scope back to the bullish foundations, which is crucial that we do see a bullish defense return. Otherwise, we could be looking lower than 80. However, I do expect to see bears to fail at this level at 1,280 to 82 if we do break 88 today and see a rebound back towards 96 to 1,300. Wrapping up with oil, well, we've got a gravestone doji and also a few failed tests since the measured move of the $64 target. It is assessed that a further weakness is coming into play, and I do expect to see the market drop towards $61.40.55 to $60. Resistance at this stage is seen as 64.40. Well, that wraps up for today. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you look out for the report and enjoy the great start to the new week.